Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Vandam, guys. Let me show you before we go, guys. So our journey begins back there. Again, 3-4 blocks long. Vandam Street, 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas. Before we leave, let me show you where I am, guys. Let me show you. But this is where I am right now. This is where I am right now. This is 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas. And now you see where I am. We'll begin the journey now. Now, guys, oh, by the way, and this is also, this park here is also called Father Fagan Park. But I'll cover this some other time. For now, we gotta go westbound. So, now, two things with this one, guys. It's called Vandam, see? Vandam. So, we got two characters. We got Vandam, the wrestler, and we got Jean-Claude Van Damme, the actor. So this street is named after two guys. Go figure. So again, right now we are at Vandam, 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas. We'll start the journey now. So again, guys, Vandam. And this is the Soho Playhouse. See, this is stage door. See, this stuff that you don't know about. This is the Huron Club. See, this stuff that you don't even know about. Just like the one I found down by Downing Street. No, not Downing. The Cherry Lane, that one. Yeah, where they had like a theater. I didn't know it was there, man. I guess she went out. See, this is 21 Renato. Orale, ese, they put an N there. That's wrong. It's supposed to be ese, not Essen, see? Orale, ese. Coming up at Vandam, Jean-Claude Van Damme, Varick Street, heading westbound. Again, this street has two names, an actor and a wrestler. And again, this is where you can keep your mini-me stuff. Again, it's kind of windy today, guys. Kind of windy. Check out this out, guys. See how it comes out of the roof. Nice. Oh, guys, check it out. You see this? You see this building? Now this is the back rooms, guys. This is the actual building of the back rooms. Once you go in, you won't escape, guys. You won't come out of there. And if you do, it will be years.
justify that shit. You know better. You trying to send that UC? You trying to send UC?
Coming up at Vandam, Jean-Claude Vandam Street, K. Hudson. And now we move, guys. Again, it's getting really windy, man. $325 K. Hudson Street, or building. Okay, guys, and this is, you remember this? This is where the trucks used to back up, but now they are being used for something else. And this is the Exquisite surfaces. I do not know what that is, but is that a hotel? A building? See? Exquisite surfaces. I don't know what that is. It's probably to rent or buy. Coming up at Vandam, Jean-Claude Vandam Street, and this is, you see how they take out the streets, guys, here? What street is this? And Green Sandwich Street. Well, this way, guys, and we do a 180 again, just like the fast. So King Kong, Charleston Heston, and now this one, which is Vandam and Jean-Claude Vandam. We go 180, guys, and then we go for the last one, guys. The last remainder street here for today. My other flag. And now we go this way, guys. We go and finish the video, then we go home to relax. As I say in Italian, io molto stanco. I am very tired, guys. Again, this King Kong was about 20 minutes. Charlton Heston and Vandam, Jean-Claude Vandam Street, 15 both each, approximately. Vandam, Jean-Claude Vandam, service entry. Ooh, ramp. Check out the doors, guys. Nice. Again, the building next block, that is the back rooms, guys. Again, once you go in, you won't come out. If you do, it will be in years. Coming up at Vandam, Jean-Claude Vandam Street, K. Hudson Street, heading eastbound. And again, it's really windy today. And again, guys, I should be able to finish 100% all the streets here by 14th Street and below, all of them. I gotta double check on Google, make sure I don't leave no street or alley behind. That's why my page says going places and spaces. Places will be mostly all the streets, the alleys, and the spaces will be where nobody wants to go in, guys, except me. At least that's the plan for now. At least that's the plan for now. Okay, guys, coming up at Jean-Claude Van Damme Street, Varick Street. Heading eastbound. Vandam St Varick Street. See, that's why accidents happen, guys. See, there's still traffic running, and she wants to go through, guys. That's bad. You see, that's why there's accidents, but people don't want to listen. But you know what? It is what it is, man. See, the Holland Tunnel. That's the bottleneck back there, guys. That is the bottleneck. Now we walk. Indiana Jones Part 2. We walk from here. Check it out, guys. The last of its kind. No longer made. No longer made. Okay, guys. We're coming to the end of the video for the day, guys. Thanks for coming up with me, for joining me on this ride. Don't forget to like me a lot. Don't forget to share the wealth, the faith. Comment, document. No se olviden de darme un like. Noisemaker. Denme un share. Comenten y documenten. We're gonna finish the video, guys, where we started. Point of origin. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. and I will see you all again somewhere in time. My time. Bye.